Today we're going to talk to you about the Schwab model SR. SR simply meaning straight ram. Unlike a complicated balancing system or 4-post press, we have one designated bearing system right in the center of our platform. Very maintenance friendly. An operator once a week will pump grease into the 4 grease fittings outfitted on the side of the press. There's 2 grease fittings for the top bushing, there's 2 grease fittings for the bottom bushing. Again, it is an external grease fitting on the side of the press for your maintenance team. The SR is very simple by design. There's not the complexity of a toggle system or a balance system. It allows for the side die loading that we're going to speak about here shortly. And it also allows for off-center loading. This particular press is outfitted with the side loader. It's quicker, more ergonomic, more importantly safer than traditional loading from the rear of the press. It allows the operator convenient access right to the side of the platen where the die will be pulled out and pushed in. There's different options as far as adjustable rails, fixed rails. In this case, there's a pneumatic rod lock which keeps the rail fixed, and in some cases clients choose to go with more of a manual rod lock. One other thing is the safety feature and the convenience for your operators. So the press does have an e-stop string, and whenever a guard door is open, the press will immediately stop. If one of the guard doors is left open, opposed to an operator walking around trying to figure out which door may be open, as you can see, all other lights are green on those that are closed, whereas the one that is open is red. This particular model SR is what we would call belt feed. There's several versions of a belt feed. This one is what we would consider a clamp feed. Some refer to it as a hitch feed or a hitch and go. One thing that separates our press from most presses are these belt modules. They are an option, but most clients do choose them. It allows an additional grip on the belt for takeoff so that the belt itself does not slip. If the belt slips, the material is not moving the defined position it's supposed to go to, therefore you can have an offcut. This particular press also is outfitted with a belt shifter. Again, it is an option. Most clients choose that option. The belt shift will not only shift the belt so that you're not routinely cutting in the same position, but more importantly, it tracks the belt. A lot of press manufacturers do not have any sort of tracking mechanism. Therefore, from time to time, maintenance has to come over and realign the belt. The belt shift takes care of that. The clamp feed system on this particular press is driven with a simple chain, pre-stretched chain. However, we could use ball screws or we could use timing belts. Again, these are some of the key benefits on the Schwab model SR.